y'all, it's Nisha here and welcome to today's video. So if you saw my previous video, which was a natural hair product stash purge, we went through my stash and got rid of some stuff. Some stuff I'm just like, I know I'm never going to use it. I don't like it. We need to get rid of it. Other things, I knew they were expired and it was just time for me to get rid of those items. So now that I've created some space in my stash and also cause havoc in my stash, it's just not organized, and I need to just reorganize things so that I know what I have and know where things are at. And I don't know, it just helps create a more effective filming environment for me. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to be organizing my stash. I like to organize my stash by brands. I used to do it by type of product, but I've realized over the years now that I have collected so many different brands and different items, that it just works better for me to organize by brand. So we're going to be doing that. Also, if you have any questions on this bomb twist out, I'll link the products down below that I used for this twist out. What else? Oh, also, I introduced my new mic in my last video. Some of y'all said y'all liked the quality. Some of y'all said that you didn't like the audio quality. And I wasn't playing around with the settings or anything. I just literally plugged it to my camera and turned it on. But I played around a little bit with the settings, so just bear with me for the next couple of videos. I'm going to be playing with the settings and just figuring out what settings work best for my camera and what's going to give y'all the best audio quality. I think that this is going to be more of like a vlog style video. But before we get into organizing my stash, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that notification bell. I post new videos twice a week. So if you're subscribed, you don't hit that notification bell, then you won't miss another upload from me. So let's just go ahead and get into this Organize With Me video. First, we're going to grab some disinfecting wipes because I know the shelf is dusty, dirty, and germy. And then we're going to go ahead and remove all of the products from the top shelf. So my top shelf is kind of like a hodgepodge of different things. Pretty much any brand that I only have one or two items of, I put on the top shelf. So we're going to revisit this shelf after I put all the products on there, but we're going to go ahead and wipe it off. And I am just grabbing products, like I said, that I know I only have a few of, and then adding them to this first shelf. My method includes putting tall bottles in the back of the shelf and putting jars towards the front of the shelf. That way I can see everything that I have, or at least try to see everything that I have, because the tall bottle is in the back, and it's not really covered up by the smaller jars in the front, unless I stack them. But usually I can tell by the shape, I can tell that it's a bottle versus a jar, and then I know what that product is. I don't know if that made sense, but that's just how my brain works. This second shelf, I did not record me taking all of the products off. I forgot to hit the record button, but you can see that I have my chocolate kinks and curls, my bread products that are pretty new to my stash. They were kind of sitting on the side, so I finally was able to add those. Of course, my Adwoa beauty products, which I love so much. And then we have Bask and Bloom, and I think after Bask and Bloom we are adding Nature's Little Secret. But again, the same method. I put the bottles in the back and put the jars in the front. My third shelf wasn't really that bad. Maybe because I haven't been touching these products. That's not good because I need to be using up these products. But anyways, I'm just removing them again and going to wipe down the shelf. Once I got to this shelf, I did realize there are a few products here that I probably need to just go ahead and purge. In my previous video, my purge video, I decided to keep them, but once I got to these products on the shelf, some of them I was like, yeah, we not gonna use this. Be for real, girl, and take these out, throw them away, or give them away. So on this shelf is going to be the Main Choice, Mish Beauty, Negas Banda, and also Camille Rose. Y'all can see that your girl has plenty of the old formula of the 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner from Main Choice because that was my baby till they changed it. And then I think here, once I got to my Mish products, I noticed that this Bounce cream I probably was not going to use. So I went ahead and removed that from my stash, and I'll give that away. I haven't touched it since the first time I used it like 2 years ago. And then this same thing for this Negas Banda deep conditioner. I didn't really care for it, so we're going to give that one away. This shelf here at the bottom is Hot Mess Express, as y'all can see. So I'm just removing all the products, knocking them down, don't even care. They're falling on the floor anyway since the shelf is next to the floor. I probably have the most products down here because I just went ham apparently with Sultanicals, Main Crush, and also Curls and Potions. I've been loving these brands lately, and they're always dropping new products. Like, if anyone's dropping new products, it's gonna be these brands, and I'm always collecting the new. So again, we're just going to put the tall bottles in the back and then put the smaller jars up in the front. Going through this bottom shelf, I found the Mael Pomegranate and Honey shampoo. I wanted to keep it and try it, but I know I'm not going to, so I'm going to give that away. And then I have some remaining products here at the bottom. So I'm just going to try to make space in these shelves and put these products. So you see I put my curl mix on that shelf. And then here I'm putting my protein treatments and bond reconstructors here. So we have the Botanica, the Mender, and then also my Olaplex products. I've picked up 2 new Olaplex products that I'll talk to you all about very soon. And then I had some Camille Rose products sitting up in my room that I needed to go ahead and add to my shelf. And then some brands where I just have 1 or 2 items. We're going to add that to the top shelf. This is pretty much how I like to organize my shelves, giving y'all a quick overview. Everything has a home and I can see where most of my products are, and that just is very helpful for me. So if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what some of your organizational tips are for your stash. And as always, I'm so grateful and thankful for each and every one of y'all watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.